this video we will share 20 quotes of Hazrat Usman Ghani to start your day. Let's start. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. The greatest wealth is contentment with little. Patience is the key to victory. Kindness is a mark of true strength. The true test of a person's character is how they treat those who can do nothing for them. Forgiveness is a sign of greatness. Be humble in victory and gracious in defeat. True leadership lies in selflessness. Strive to be just, even if it's against yourself. Do good deeds, even if they are small, for they have great impact. The tongue is a powerful weapon, use it wisely. Knowledge is the light that dispels darkness. Cultivate gratitude, for it is the key to contentment. Your true wealth lies in the good you do for others. Take care of your words, for they have the power to heal or harm. Sincerity is the foundation of success. Be a peacemaker, even in the face of conflict. Do not let success make you arrogant, remain humble and grateful. Judge people by their actions, not their appearances. Have faith in God's plan, even when it seems difficult.